we are going to use some basic effects to make our footage look retro and old. I have both of my clips in the timeline. Go to the Effects tab at the top left of the screen. I will show you the exact effects I used to make this look. The first effect I will search is the rich color effect. This will give my clip a nice grainy look. Click and drag it into the timeline above the clip I want to add it to. And make sure it covers the entire clip. Now let's add more effects. And search the garbled graffiti effect. Now drag that clip into the timeline above the other effect. I placed it towards the beginning above the first effect and clip. It's starting to look good. Let's add more effects. For my next idea, I will add a glitch transition between the two clips. I will search glitch in the transition section and drag it into the timeline. Place it between the two clips. Now I will search a glitch effect back in the Effects tab. I will grab a glitch effect and pull it into the timeline to add to the whole look of the transition. CapCut has many glitch effects, but the one I used is the 70s effect. I'm going to place it right before the transition to add to the total look of the glitching in the clip. I'm going to add one more glitch effect to add to the look. I'll add the pixel glitch effect. I'll place it before the transition effect, just like the last one. Now let's work on the other clip. I'm going to search the frosted quality effect for that retro look. Now I will add that effect above my second clip in the timeline. And make sure it covers the whole clip. Search for Leak 2, and it will add a glare look to the footage. Drag that into the timeline. I won't cover the whole clip with this one. Now I will add the black noise effect. Drag it into the timeline. I will make this one cover the whole clip. Now I will add the 90s effect and drag that into the timeline. I will also make this one cover the whole clip. The last effect I will add is another leak to effect, and drag that towards the end of the clip in the timeline. I will make it slightly smaller to kicking towards the end of the other leak to effect. When we compound all these effects on top of each other, the result is an engaging set of clips that have that retro old school feel.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.